Ni hao, welcome to the Zontes factory here in China. Of course, this is Ride with Daniela and I'm with Bristol Elite. This is a rare opportunity that we get to explore yung factory ng brand na kine-carry natin sa Pilipinas under Bristol Motorcycles. Ayan. Kahapon nag-ride kami to the mountains. And ngayon, we're very excited. Ako actually, ngayon ko lang ma-experience pumasok sa isang factory. So, this is the best time to get added knowledge kung paano ba talaga nabubuo yung isang bike. So, yan. Personally kasi nasubukan ko na yung mga maxi scoot ng Bristol Zontes, lahat, yung 400G, 400E, all of those 4 variants na available in the Philippines are actually expressway legal. And I'm very happy to say na masaya kaming lahat sa performance and specs ng mga bikes na ito. So we're sure na hindi kami mapapahiya and this is really a worth travel for all of us kasi finally we'll get to know more about the product, about the brand. Ayan. So kahapon I used the Zontes 400G, that's the Adventure one, and I'm really happy kasi yung pinuntahan namin madulas, kakaunan lang and medyo rough road, but then easy peasy siya sa maneuvering and handling ng bike na ito, Of course, designed for adventure naman talaga because of the knobby tires as well. Ayan. So parang kambal siya ng ng adventure bike nila na 703 naman. Ayan. Tara, samahan nyo kami sa loob ng factory para malaman natin kung paano binubuo ang mga bike ng Zontes. So guys, nakita nyo naman kung ano yung mga nangyayari sa loob ng Zontes factory, also known as the Guangdong Tayo Motorcycle Company here in China. So, napaka-overwhelming on my end, nakakatuwa. Kasi first time ko talagang makakita kung gaano ka-intricate ang process ng pagbuo ng motor. Ang pinakamaganda dito sa Zontes, silang gumagawa mula raw materials hanggang maging isang buong motor, Grabe, I mean, how can you even do that? I can only imagine kung gaano kahirap, kung gaano karaming nagtatrabaho sa loob ng factory na ito. And kanina, although overwhelmed kami, confused din kami at the same time. Kasi ang dami talaga naming nakikita. Like, everyone is moving, lahat nagtatrabaho, lahat may kanya-kanyang task, and it's just amazing. So by now, we all know na hindi basta-basta ang Zontes, ha? Meron din kami nakita doong mga machine na sila lang ang meron or sila lang ang gumawa at nasa kanila din ang patent. Say for example, the laser cleaning machine na nagpipino, nagtatanggal ng mga dumi na galing sa pinag-weldingan, So kung mano-mano yon, syempre hindi mo naman mahihit perfectly, pero using that machine na sila lang ang meron, malinis na ilalabas yung mga parts na winelding katulad ng exhaust, So syempre, pag nadala mo na yon at nabuo mo na sa motor, pag nailabas na as finished product, makikita mo pulidong-pulido yung gawa, di ba? So mula sa bolts, pati nuts, crankcase, ano pa ba yung nakita ko doon? Swing arm. Lahat Of course, may sarili silang molde. Ginagawa nila yon. Hindi sila nagsosource out lang basta-basta. Kaya sigurado din sila doon sa quality ng mga material na inilalagay nila sa isang buong motor. They have dedicated engineers, dedicated designers. So, it's just amazing how they do this kind of operation, So, ako kasi, 10 ng Bristol Elite, nasubukan na namin yung Zontes. Okay, so we have 4 variants available in the Philippines right now. And isa lang masasabi namin pare-pareho, hindi kami mapapahiyang ine-endorse namin yung brand na to. Okay, magandang handling, magandang performance, fuel efficient. Hindi siya kamahalan pero sobrang high-tech and sobrang worth the price talaga, no? Every cent na i-spend mo para sa motor na to. And most importantly, para sa akin siguro, it's a big plus na expressway legal yung motor natin, ano? Kasi as you know naman, in Luzon, we have to get from one place to another ng mabilisan. So, this is, you know, I would say the most competitive big scooter available in the market. So, kung gusto nyong malaman at mapatunayan yung sinasabi ko, puntahan nyo lang ang bagong-bagong showroom ng Zontes sa 10th Avenue, corner 4th Street. May mga demo bikes na available for you to use. I'm sure you'll enjoy the test ride. Please have fun. So once again, I am Ride Si Daniela with Bristol Elite for All About Wheels Manila.